ka Miss Chelong pijen ke digaransan ke bagi Thei samla na keleng jong ke Jylla Meghalaya. Ki oban shimenta ban pen i kisap kipong bat Thei Bhabriew om tang ka dur ka renyang. Heri ka Jingtebet ka jabing bat kamtam ka akor ka burom bat ka Pynsngew. Heri wala kata ru ka FSS kam shimdu jingkermen bat kam sange ban yacha khamat ban penlong ka Jakob om shu tang ka Miss Chelong. Heri menta lelei sa ka Mrs Chelong bat ka Miss Supermom ka bolong kum ka jingplilat plenti ki long kemi bakin yo shimenta kumba ka Jylla ka de ka baburom bat aja cha ka kemi. Ha ka singi sajan kilat patai kubor kila yo ru ban keren markhamat bat ki Thei Bhabriew ki bolong ru kum ki nong penselur ki samla bakim dei ban ailat ba ka jingkren ki Briew kan wo kejat yaki. Nakal yang ucaman ka society uba aldas maulong ulapan pau ya ka jingkemen bah pedeng ki jing heri kila lapat ban sei bun ki Thei samla nakal yang ki benta jong ka Jylla ban sei ki Jingtebet bat kasap kerpang baki dan.
Baru ting jangan kedai hazel macam, kertas jangan kedai pan merah sama sahan nam teman. Dia ngapli ha PSF class 11. Ngala tuition minta kita pemincuan. Kebenkong nga shiminta haka Miss Cherry Blossom 2021. Nga job role as a Miss Cherry Blossom second result 2021. Dia kata kidan ki buan fashion shows jong himen jangai Thei Bhabriew Kim dia ki buan ki agencies ki pakot yang baru kidan dia tambah ting dang aplat nga ong ben amar pangadang let school dang kuliah ke fashion society Shillong ka groom bhai ka kani ka modeling ka alam ka career yang Sudah dok mencuba ngasih semua tenat banyak yang an pong heels berjong ngayat kamu tu ngapen email dia tang ngasih practice yang kamu tu tang alat por dia ngapet ru ki videos ki pageants ki walks fashion shows ban ong haki pageants ngam juda kwak ramen participate nomor ngash long like very nervous dangar long speak with the public completely ngash long nervous especially the dan cameras through dia ke bang long confidence yang ada tang mashu yaat kum to keren like take a fashion show with our pageants international models Kendall Jenner I look up to Kendall Jenner spit party fashion shows bakayat makaru so Suka menong publish pun ka fashion society Shillong. Klam kani ngam poiro shrush kani like poyat ki fashion shows na ki pageants suka ang publish pun. Kupli pi baro ka kerteng jo kadi Jolene and Ceiling ro pat ngade arpo sinam karna ngalit pule ha St. Anthony's College. Ka siem ka banin kong ka banga le ki kumkini ki beauty pageants kade she's nam shwa ahada apuan kata kade banga compete yana banga yale yaka Miss Chelong 2022 tinang tu hingas lang kalong kumka jingkhang ba mo ki ang ban ngin ngatpli yaka jingnang jola jong ngatip banga nang hakatu ka lat jong jing imro ho kade kani kade tangka sedang namar ba kum Briew hi ni hab hi man ya cheka thong ka ba kawai hanin kawai ka jing yale na kawai ka jing yale pan ha ka jing emde tang haki beauty pageants ha ka jing yale ti jung iro man lakas ni we ni de ban tur saplang ki jing job la ni ki jing ramru ni de ban ya de chaplang kata ka de ka mindset mo la ni ka jing mut jong no nyamla ban le ya kata Tapi ko aman ong bakade kong kataru pila aman shimhi namal ba hakajing im lani haka im lang salang jungi ni buon ni ki dapat nilai baharu ki don hi ki ban ong ladang nilai senior ki don hi ki ban ong ti kawai kabangan ong ikna samla kade ba ni de ban nang la naladi ni de ban tip ya ka burom ya la jong ni de ban nang hi naladi but kijing kran tikin bun ben da pili bahale ni tekan nang hamboni ke jengkeran ni kumba kira ong kiwe mangano kum juhi kade ka ngam ai kum lemo ya baroki Baterai haka fashion society ba kila la ban penlong ini kum mangilong menta mangila la ban tip yaladi yaka ika bangi don kasam haladi ban don kum hakini ki jan line ban le iki beauty pageants tang katahi ban kum juru ya isa aldas maulong where la trishitom ilong kum I godfather jani. Thank you. Nakateng Thei Bhabriew latang I've always nam kata but nga lit school ha Shillong Commerce College but nga shong sa ha nong ra nong pre ningkong te nga la lit ya kanika Miss Shillong hi 2022 tang banga kan jump ngapoy top 10 but nga yo I subtitle Miss Beautiful Smile te nakatahi nga yo confident ma te nakatahi banga la le Miss Shillong 2022 nga le biang saka Miss Shillong 2023 kaba day menta usnam te nakatuhi nga sa job they naki practice but determination ning kong te kumbang ong nga le ran bit bha ngam ju dakren Briew ngam ju socialize bha bat ki Briew tang ba nga set itanat bha ba ya ihman jonga ba sile beauty pageant mo te nga set itanat ba iyan ba I kran te nakatahi nga buat ya ki lenti ki jong I kaya chaka ningkong te banga job ya kanika Miss Shillong 2023 long kapen kwa yang nga banga nyat sa shakmat sa national level kum ki Miss Northeast Sunset Mega Miss Northeast long nga kwa ha banga nyat shakmat mo te nga sapet hinang ni shakmat ngan try te nga yu ibha ba ngi ki para samla ngi long ni sate sa khom ha mo hayen ro te tang ba nga kwa ba kin yat shakmat kin pursue ya ki dreams jong ki ba ki dan ha mensiam jong ki long ba ki kwa ma ki te nga kwa ba kin yat be shakmat wat num tiang wat num ran tiang ka jubab ka jong nga te wat langam la ban translate ha khasi nga la hi da ka phaveng te ka answer jong ka de ba I believe everyone is a queen. It's not about the crown but it's about how you carry yourself and make everyone a queen and influence everyone to be a queen. Agar teng evangel latang but nga job ka Mrs. Northeast nga shong sa ha nong ra nong padeng but nga de but nga don I ko nga la de bun ki pageant ningkong te nga le haka 8,000 khatra ya ka Miss Shillong te nang tu nga la le ka Miss Trendsetter ru te men hakani ki dang spenlong shen da fashion society Shillong ya ka Miss Supermom te nga la le ka Miss Supermom ru but hatian jong kata nga sa le ka Mrs. Northeast namar kadi kata hima ko wei ba ngam kwa de bangan ba kata ka jingram ne ka jingjop jong akan Pynsngew nga kwa bangan dang to shakmat ngandang yai le ben te nga thumu bangan le saya ka Mrs. India kibun ki ba I mensiam nga khamtam le ki banayeng hoi me para jonga but kidan ru katu katni ki perlok ki ba ju I mensiam nga namar ba maki rukum jo ma ki I ka sab ba dan ki ong bangalong confident te hoi ki kawai ka khubor banga kwa ban ay ki long kami ka de ba wat num ai lad ba ka jingkran jong ki Briew ne ka jingkran jong no kan Pynsngew phi mo na ka ka ba phitrang nga kwa ba kin yang bat kin le ka ba ki dan hapo mensiam lada ki dan ya ka sab ban shat ne ka sab ban ruai ne umdei tang ha ka beauty pageant mo nga kwa ba kin ya le ba ya ka tu ba kin ningkong te ka di ka jingyam dalam lenti jong play te batru kadega jing thrang jong la di hin po mensiam khubli shibun mo namar ba kadega fashion society Shillong hi kabala ya lam lenti yanga namar ba ningkong du ngala asdang ru bat ka fashion society hi haka 8,000 khatra bat ngala la ban poi hadu kan ka rensan kadai ru na benta ka fashion society Shillong ngang keteng Jennifer mana ate lai sausun kata asyong asa ani Shillong lai ko hasha lai ko tapi dia nga de kami jong lai wat ki kon dia ada hanga job di kan Supermom 2023 aja lah sorry Kani kadai ka scene ka banin kong do na naman ba ngam paju mlin ban kiyo hakong kini ki stage pa hem mo te naka fashion society shillong pa te ngalai yang audition nang dapat dengan syak select tu agak top 10 apoi te nga kham poi pakhat ken long ngan poi hadu ka ni ka jing job ken tamba kadai naka ka jing race tong jonga ka jing minot jonga bangan wan haki grooming session kepala ai nak fashion society shillong te kala ya rap shipon phaya na bangan long hadu kan ni kan ta nama ngarong ade Briew ba baleran ba bangam ju kham da nang hi panya ya keren kum ni kan mo para Briew kum ni kalong kapen long rantian kan nga long leran pha Peten hadian suki pede kum ta nga wan kini grooming classes na bala ai ke jing hikai kum no ban pen i la dia kum no ban long kum no ba fin long tum ta kan mo ban long song khia kan kum long kum kita jing hikai bar khoi no de na kita na thai nga sapoi ha ni kan buat bangai hadu dengan job ya kan nika crowd kan ka baning kong ka de neki bhayi antara neki perlok QE kata ka sab bangadan try mo te ki khanyat be anga kan ki push be anga kan ban let ban peni ka jing start ban peni ka jing Bhabriew mo kata ke de bakong san hi haka rensan peni mo ya kan kong kini ki pajen te ka dikatahi te ka Richmond akan ni kan ka jing pension dengan ka ding ka fashion society ro namar kala ai big ka bahep ha kan kata ka jing pension kan long ba fi de betul be kan cuma mo dalam kum ro ni happy pan ma ni kita bar khoi tam kom tai nga don hi ho nga la try ma tai dengan ka Mrs India World te nga la adapsen ki online registration ni bar khoi te kila khot ya ka audition, it'll be an online audition kan te kan sadon ka final kan dop te hado te panai April 2024 te na pasang ni kata ke te na sugarman ba la kan ban poi hado kata ka thong mo kat ka platform hado sa par itia lo ha po India kan te dai kecing hikai ting ni la yo papiang bahan ka fashion society shillong kan kumno bangin ya kumno bangin grooming long la groom haken ka personality development jongi kumno bangin grand banja anak ka tu ka stage fright mo ka jing shapting ban yang halor ka platform halor ka stage hawa rensan mo te gitu par khoi kecing kai kila ai pha ke kila peni kai pha te ini te kataru ka long ni long very ni long very punctual ni one band te ni shembe kita kan pro ka kho jana long ni ka dai ba ni ha pe pan nim dai pan kan ran de ni la de dang ni ho ya tep ya kata ni bun ki jing bun ki jing mo bangi mat ha ka lenti ya jungi tamba ni dai pan mi sha khmat mo la da fi pan ran den ka nim num poi sha ka ta ka thong ba fi bang ko ban as ka fashion society shillong ka de ba khubri shibon bang pira pen wonder pen job ya kanika limti jong ni ko mangai long kami ba hawai ba iki samlaru te ka de naka fashion society shillong bangin sa long kum kan bangin sa shlor bangin sa pen mi bhagen ya ka sap ka phong jong te thank you so much fashion society shillong.
You see, our journey, which started in 1983, when we began this, it was more like an informal event, so there was no grooming. We found that the girls need grooming because they come from different backgrounds. So the level playing field means that everybody should have an opportunity to be groomed, to be taught how to walk, how to talk, and then even how to get over stage fright. As you have heard, some of the contestants who we interviewed earlier, they were introverts, they were shy people. Now, this part of the pageant where they get grooming for almost 2 months brings them out of that shell, like they said, comfort zone. And they stand on stage, they don't see the crowd as hostile or menacing. They see them as friendly, cheering for them, and then they give their best efforts, choosing the best words, framing the best sentences, putting on the best smile. And it goes with the costumes, accessories, how they walk. And the grooming is not only just about talking and walking, it's also about personality development. Ultimately, they have this leadership quality, how to face an interview when they go for jobs later. So that puts them in a good stead and advantage, because we are getting a lot of support from the government, from the people, well-wishers, and we find that it's become very popular and it's a big platform. Like you heard the girls say, they go on to do bigger events in the Northeast region, All India region, and hopefully even abroad. Because some of the kids, they have the height and they have the personality to get there. One impediment is obstacle is funds. If we have the funding, we can do a lot, because we've been doing pageants for the last 40 years. Incidentally, this year is our 40th year anniversary, so we feel very good about it, and it can only grow bigger and better. Without the government, we can't really get anywhere, because the departments that are connected with this is like the youth affairs, sports, and then arts and culture, tourism, because it attracts a lot of tourists. These are the sericulture and weaving. These are the connected departments. They do help. Even if they have positive funds, they will try to make an effort to help us somehow. And that too, the business houses, individual sponsors, well-wishers. Well, you see, when we did a lot of brainstorming, we find that a lot of single mothers, they have the ability to talk, walk, they have the beauty, they have the spirit. So why not give them a platform? And then, because they are not just single moms who've been abandoned, they have taken upon themselves to have a career and also maintain a balance with the family in the domestic front. So that makes them superheroes. So we titled it as Supermom. You see, apart from Miss Shillong, we always have like Miss Small is beautiful. For those who don't make it, they don't have the criteria. We've had Mrs. Shillong. We've had plus size for those who are healthy. Then so on and so forth. We have these other titles which are going side by side along with the Miss Shillong to give a platform for everybody. So I will not let you know. For next year we have a surprise. Let it be a surprise. But the media will be informed beforehand so that we'll gear up. It'll be something good. There is a quote which was quoted by one of the girls. Inside every woman is a queen. So it is up to us to bring out that queen in each woman. And stereotype means you only look at the, like say, the skin or maybe just the height, the figure, but then it goes beyond that. It goes where brains are concerned, where character is concerned, where empathy, sympathy plays a role in your everyday life. So it's an embodiment of a true woman in the true sense.